There is some good news tonight for homeowners. State regulators finding a way to avoid millions of Floridians being forced to find new insurance policies right before hurricane season here, no less, or during it. This comes as dozens of companies are expected to get downgraded ratings, which show how likely the provider is to fulfill claims, whether they're federally backed. 10 Tampa Bay's Malik Rankin here now in studio with a deeper dive into this workaround so homeowners aren't left in the lurch. And Malik, why you got to read the fine print.
Josh, so earlier this week we told you 27 of Florida's 40 insurance companies are facing being downgraded by rating company Demotech. That downgrading would leave homeowners forced to find a new policy. Well, until today, the State Office of Insurance Regulation will now use Citizens Property Insurance as a safety net to get Floridians through hurricane season. Your home insurance company needs an A rating to be compliant with your federal mortgage loan.
Office of Insurance Regulation has said it said that in the event that a private company, if number one, they become downgraded, and number two, they become insolvent, if there were claims that needed to be paid and the company couldn't pay them, then Citizens would step in and pay those claims.
Citizens Property Insurance can fulfill about $11 billion worth of claims. Spokesman Michael Peltier says that's enough to stay afloat if a very severe storm hits Florida. Kathy Walsh tells me the start of her week was back-to-back phone calls trying to talk her home insurance clients through their options before state regulators announced changes today.
It's very good news. Otherwise, we would have more liquidations, we would have more fallout, and we would be scrambling. Citizens would have more policies going into their book of business, and they already do.
Under this change, if disaster were to strike, you'd be covered either by your insurer or by Citizens Property Insurance.
It means that they can just hold on to what they have right now and get through hurricane season with the carrier that they have presently.
The agency feels will satisfy the requirements of federal mortgage guarantors in the event that Demotech goes ahead and downgrades some Florida companies.
We've got a lot of people moving here to Florida, and when you do, you're most likely getting a home insurance policy with your home purchase. So here's what you need to know if you sign with Citizens Property Insurance. If that company goes into deficit for hurricane losses or for any other reason, you could be given a surcharge of up to 45% of your premium, and this is something you sign when you sign up for their policy. In studio, Malik Rankin, 10 Tampa Bay.